A few moments later.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys spot something different on me? Officially, today is my third day of having braces and I feel so uncomfortable. I can't even eat. It's so difficult to talk or munch, and I have ulcer for the first day, but my dentist said it was normal. People have been asking me, how was it? Is it hurt that much? I wanted to do, but I'm scared. I don't have much experience because it's just my 3 days of having it, but I can say that it's not that hurt. You just feel annoyed and uncomfortable, that's all. Good. End of persisting. So today's video I am going to do makeup tutorial again, just a simple makeup tutorial for newbie, can say daily makeup look. Oh, about the makeup inspired by emoji, I made the makeup look already, which is sunflower emoji, this one. But I am so sorry that I didn't record my video for the tutorial, but at the end of this video later, my hair is stuck in the braces. But at the end of this video later, I will make the tutorial on how I draw the sunflower and what tools and products that I use. So you have to watch this video sampai habis. I got requests for doing just a simple makeup tutorial on how I make my eyebrow, eyeliner, foundation, and so on. So today I will show you guys, and not to forget the product that I use. So first of all, you have to make sure your face is clean by using Silky Girl cleansing water. This is makeup remover. And next, I'm using Cetaphil cleanser. Saya sampai bawa gayung. Nampak orang selalu macam gosok dia face guna towel kan. Actually it's not good for your face. Kulit muka kita ni nipis, kalau kita berkasar dan dia nanti rosak. So you just have to dab it, dab guna towel. Kering juga tapi gosok-gosok. After that, for the toner, I'm using Icon T3 toner. Korang sebelum makeup, make sure using all of this thing. For moisturizer, I'm using Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This next step is the most and very important step that you should not miss out. Sunscreen. I'm using Mary Kay sunscreen. I got it from my Mary Kay beauty consultant, Puan Nivea. If korang nak usah produk Mary Kay, can get it from her. So for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, code 215 soft beige. So what I usually do is I'm using this setting spray or 2-in-1 primer spray. So I just spray it on my sponge. For the concealer, I'm using Rimmel concealer called classic beige. So I put it under my eyes. And you can cover any of maybe your pimple. Next, I'm using Sephora contouring stick code 10, the dark brown one. Kalau nak guna tangan boleh buat macam ni. Untuk blusher, korang boleh guna blusher powder, but this is me lah. I'm just using my lip tint from Wardah, like this. So next, korang ambil bedak. I'm using pixie and brush. Put it all over your face. So for my eyebrow, I usually do it naturally. I don't draw. I just using brow styling cream. This one is like gel, like a gel inside. See? I got it from drugstore. Susah ni nak cakap. By using this brush, basahkan sikit and this is called eyebrow. So for mascara, I already have this, so I don't use mascara. So for eyeshadow, I use this one, brown. And after that, use this one for the under eye, using the same color. So this palette, I bought it from drugstore. Just a simple one with 30 colors in it. So for my under eye eyelash, I'm using Silky Girl mascara. So this is the most difficult part to do is eyeliner. So I'm using Silky Girl matte liquid eyeliner. You need to be very careful. So first, I started with the outer corner of my eyes. Use a small stroke straight towards the tail of my eyebrow, and from the middle draw a line to connect to the point of the line. And lastly, fill in the inside. Then for my lips, I'm using Silky Girl matte lipstick code Selvi01. Look, so pretty, right? For my lips look shiny and shimmery, I'm using lip gloss from me. Ala Pomo. So last, don't forget your highlighter. Setting spray. So this is my final look. Macam mau pergi interview pula ni. As I promised, I'll show you how I draw my sunflower emoji makeup. So I'm using this eyeliner, yellow and white color. I bought it from Shopee. I just bought these two colors. So first, use this type of brush, concealer. Make one dot. After that, using the same brush, take the chocolate color, then here, and then using yellow color of eyeliner, Dan lukislah dia punya bunga-bunga. Actually kan kalau kau buat dia cincai-cincai, dia akan jadi. Dia memang cincai habis, but it's end up looks so good. So ulang step tadi, ambil brush and ambil concealer, coklat. Siap. Look, just cincai one, just the very cincai one. Buat cincai. Jadi korang kalau nak buat desi pun boleh. Use the white color. Use the yellow one for the middle. Tada! Jadilah desi. So that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't share, and subscribe. I just need you guys to like and subscribe. That's all. Bye. Aduh, 2